Hello, my name is Shiji Kathuria, and I am an instruction librarian at the GSU Alpharetta campus. Your professor has asked me to teach you today about the following: how to find a peer-reviewed article using the library website, and in the second part of the tutorial, I will demonstrate how to find examples of writing used in two different disciplines. First, I'll show you how to find company profiles using a business database called Business Source Complete, and then I'll show you how to find examples of health and nursing related writing using PubMed. I will start on the library website, which is library.gsu.edu. You can find general, peer-reviewed, scholarly sources using the main search bar in the middle of the page called Discovery. I will type in my search, and on the left side of the screen, you can start limiting down your search results to scholarly peer-reviewed articles only. Peer-reviewed articles are articles that are reviewed by fellow experts in the field. They're just a better quality source of article to use when you're looking for academic journal articles. You can also limit your search results by year. For example, if you only want a current set of articles, you can limit to, say, the past 10 years rather than dating back to 1200. So I will open the first result. It's called the Engineer's Guide to Technical Writing. You will find what journal it was published in, what year, as well as how to get the full text of the article. And scrolling down, the abstract is important to read so you can get a quick idea of what the article is about. If you wanted to add it to your Google Drive, email it to yourself, or even just email the link to yourself, you can use these options on the right side of the screen. If you find an article that you're interested in and want to find articles that are related to that particular article, you can look through the hyperlinked subjects that are listed in the article description. And you can click on one of these hyperlinked subjects, and it would take you to a list of search results that have the exact same subject to describe it, which means these are articles that are similar in topic. This has been a quick demonstration on how to use Discovery to find peer-reviewed articles. Next, I will move into subject-specific databases. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to show an example of business writing, an example of nursing writing. So let's say you are looking for company profiles from a business perspective. I will visit a database called Business Source Complete. And on the right side of the screen, you will see a feature to browse. If I wanted to look through company profiles, I could simply click on company profiles. And search for the company that I'm interested in researching and open up a detailed report about that company. This report is 76 pages. And here's an example of technical writing describing a company like Walmart in very clear and detailed terms. If you go back to Business Source Complete, you can also research industry profiles and browse to see examples of writing when describing various industries. Next, I will demonstrate a database called PubMed. PubMed is a leading resource in scientific and medical research. This is a fantastic place to go to find sample writing in health, medical, and nursing related disciplines. I will conduct a sample search that is health related, And on the left side of the screen, I can limit to various article types. For example, if I only wanted to see clinical trials conducted in this area of research, I could limit to that and find journal articles that are clinical trials related to COVID-19 in children. You can see the style of writing is very different in these two fields, as they are communicating very different ideas and concepts. If I wanted to find the full text, I could go to the right here and click on any of these options. If neither of these are your field of choice, don't worry. I have developed a research guide where you can find more resources on other disciplines. In this research guide, you will find that I provided both library books as well as databases by discipline to help you find resources. For example, if you're looking for business, here are some databases. If you're looking in biological sciences, these are other databases that you can use. This has been a quick introduction on how to start the process of finding scholarly sources written in your discipline. Please don't hesitate to contact me should you need additional help. I am available for one-on-one virtual research appointments. Here's my contact information. Thank you. I look forward to hearing from you.